in the valley, and the good of the bad times. It's also good is God. And that is why we are here today. And therefore, church assembled here today, take your position. This ordination is not ordinary ordination. I don't even know what our sister has been ordained to which ministry, because you see the widows, the orphans, the Kenyans who are oppressed, the overtaxed Kenyans, the ones who are crying loud, the ones who have been abducted and killed. These are not ordinary times. And therefore, let us all take our position. Our sister, may God go with you. May He give you the strength to continue holding this brother of mine. He has been down, but he's now strong. And we are there to hold each other's hands. And as Rigathi becomes strong, the nation becomes strong. Church, take your position. Thank you.